Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled with sharing your Google Drive folders the right way, or maybe you accidentally shared too much, this video is going to save you a lot of time. Today, I'm breaking down the complete 2025 guide on how to change Google Drive folder permissions, so you stay in full control of your files without any confusion. Stick with me till the end, because I'll also share a quick tip to prevent unwanted access in the future. Let's get straight into it. Google Drive folder permissions determine who can view, comment, or edit your files, and updating them is crucial when you want to collaborate securely. First, open your Google Drive on your computer or mobile. Locate the folder whose permissions you want to change. Right-click on the folder and select Share. This will open the Sharing Settings panel. Now, you'll see a list of people who already have access. Next to each name, there's a drop-down. Here you can choose between Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. Viewer can only see the content. Commenter can add comments but cannot make changes. Editor can make full changes, delete, or even share it further. If you want to completely remove someone's access, just click the X or Remove Access next to their name. Below this, you'll notice the General Access section. This is where you decide if the folder is restricted, shared with your organization, or accessible via link. Choose Restricted if you only want invited people to see it. Select your organization if you want your company or school members to access it. Or set it to Anyone with the link if you want to share it widely. Just make sure to set their role, viewer, commenter, editor, to control how much they can do. For even more control, click the gear icon in the top right of the share settings. Here, you can disable editors from changing permissions or prevent viewers from downloading and printing files. Once you're done, click Save or Done, and your permissions are instantly updated. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to change Google Drive folder permissions in 2025. It's simple, fast, and keeps your files safe from unwanted access. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy tech guides, and let me know in the comments. What's the biggest Google Drive mistake you've ever made? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.